What's up, guys? So I'm going to be doing a little segment now on PRP treatments, which stands for platelet-rich plasma treatment. And if you've checked out this channel, my dad, Dr. Moheimani, went over Kobe Bryant's PRP treatment. So I am making a video to kind of cover Steph Curry getting PRP on his knees in May. And I'm just going to kind of cover this article and talk about it. Now, I'm not a doctor like my dad, and we will have videos also from my sister, who's also a UCLA resident, and she's going to be a pain management doctor soon. But let's go ahead and break this down. What I found really interesting is he's not the only person to go through PRP. In this article, they talk about how he wanted to use PRP to promote healing, and believe it or not, I also have used PRP, and I've gone to my dad for PRP treatment, and I've had great results as well. But what's interesting about this article is Steph Curry's not one of the only famous players to kind of go through PRP treatment. They actually, as we go down here, they mention that Kobe Bryant is the guy who kind of brought this to light. And further down in the article, what's interesting is you have a bunch of other players. You guys probably, I don't know if everyone follows the NBA, but Brandon Roy had a lot of injuries, and he also was getting there. Ace Law, Wesley Matthews, Dwayne Wade, Deron Williams, Paul Gasol, Metta World Peace, and Dwight Howard. So it used to be you had to leave the U.S. to go get the treatment, but now it's offered here. And if you do a Google search in your area, I'm sure there's plenty of doctors that offer PRP. And if you want to consider coming out to California for a treatment, maybe do like a vacation, you can just Google Dr. Moheimani's last name, or just check out our website at coastspinemed.com, and you can get more information on the PRP treatments. And I'm going to create another video on just my experience with PRP, but wanted to kind of bring to light that it's been used in professional athletes, and it's very popular. And I wouldn't even be here talking about it because, like I said, I don't have a medical background. I have a master's in business administration at USC. I was a bio major at UC Irvine, but my biggest thing is I actually went through PRP treatment. I'm a tennis player, and fortunately I didn't get tennis elbow. I got, what's the other one? Golfer's elbow. And it really wouldn't go away until I started my PRP treatment. So I'll make another video about that, but leave your comments. Let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you soon.